I'm afraid I might doze off. My name is Eureka. I'm the leader of Celadon Gym. Oh, you're from Johto, you say? Oh, nice. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't realise that you wished to challenge me. I know. I've been training myself, not only in flower arrangement. Whilst there is Pokemon battle, I shall not lose. Except you're grass type, so yeah, I think you will. Jipla! Done. Tangler. This is a weird looking Pokemon. I can still make it burn. Trilo. We already fought one of the in the gym. Ooh, that's higher level than me. Oh, combo. Blossom. The ultimate evolution for Gleam. No. Oh yeah, it's committing suicide. Oh, that's a bit harsh. Oh, killing you. Oh, I didn't see that coming. Nah. You know, yep. Getting 2,000 experience. Looks like I underestimated you. I overestimated you. Oh, I concede defeat. You're remarkably strong. I'll give you the rainbow badge. Double rainbow all the way across the sky. It was a delightful match. I felt inspired. Yet I wish I have TM19 as a special token. It's Giga Drain. It's a wonderful move that drains half the damage it inflicts to heal your Pokemon. It is indeed a horrifying move. Losing leaves a bitter aftertaste, but knowing that there's a strong trainer spurs me to do better. I'm so glad we don't have to cut down these trees. Oh, look. So, thank you for watching. This has been Gym Leader Eureka. The next episode, we will be answering this call right now. Sir, this is Ralph. How are you? Would you say you were battle with me? Good. If you were a kid, you're quite agreeable. Route 32 is the spot. So, in the next episode, we're going to go on to Route the next. Hey guys, we're going on to the cycling road this episode. Yeah, I never showed off the games corner. I didn't. Let's just check this out. Sadly, all the games here are gone and replaced with Auto. You need a coin case to play. Aha, you was here to play my coin game. Come here and I'll give you a coin case. So come over to him. My name is Mr. Game. I have packed with excitement when people play my coin game. In fact, that's what I live for. You look like quite a challenger. Why don't you play my coin game? You can get fabulous prizes if you manage to get lots of coins, yes. Alright, here's your coin case. And that's how you get a coin case. Show me how you play and make my heart pound with excitement. I'll just play a game. You won't be able to see, but let's just play one game. Yes, so bottom you see that we've got different numbers for each vault of. Yeah, you're not able to see it there. But anyway, you just flip them over. And see if you've won. Really just have to flip them over and see if there's one on there. Ah, that's me down. Oh no, you get 0 coins. Anyway, I can't be bothered to play this. I hate gambling because when I lose I get really annoyed. That makes me want to play more so I can win. So I can win all the stuff I've lost, etc, etc. And then, yeah, it keeps going on like that, and I'm wasting all my money just trying to win. Because I like winning. Winning. Here's something for Flash. Yeah, yes. I always teach cut to my starter. I don't know why. It's something I've always done. And I'm not going to stop now. There's a house that's been hidden. You cruise down the Siphon Road, you'll end up in Fuchsia City. Hello, hello, would you like to hear a trendy saying? Yes. Very well. The only thing for you to say would be spreadsheet. The trendy thing to say. Okay, spreadsheet. How very interesting. Doesn't like spreadsheets. Let's see what Pokemon are in this route, just quickly. There we go. Just quickly. Oh, this is a Grimer. We've already seen one of these, so let's just go. Now what I'm going to do, because you're kind of not over leveled, but compared to the others you are, I'm going to put Tsunami in front, because Tsunami will be good for a gym that's coming up fairly soon. So I'm going to let him gain a few levels. Psychic types, hate him. So, excuse me, you stop right there, you have to be on a bicycle to go to Cycling Road. Screw this. Go to smart your bike here. Now this is Cycling Road. Here's a patch of grass that I just found a Pokemon in. Dyna! Grimer! No, Tsunami, but you're not going to fight anything. I want to fight you. You're from Johto, huh? No. It's on me, I'll be much stronger, I promise. Hope so. Oh man, that was not the plan. I should have just ran in the... Brah! Sounds like Zoidberg trying to get a mate. Oh, I knew I couldn't make it all the way. Oh, anyway. Hey, that's a cool bike you're riding. Let me kill you! Yeah, I missed a couple of trainers, so I'm gonna do them off screen, actually. Viper, new Pokemon. Introduced in a game. I'm going to end it off when I kill this Viper. Hold it. It's sure girl Vipers. Great job, that's what she said. Sarcastically. Doing these trains off screen. So, trains off screen. So, I'm going to go to her. This is Route 18, something down here. 2 train lines that'll be by the screen as well. So, this is Fuchsia City. Wow, in the face, I'm using a bike in a city. Over here, that's the gym I was thinking of when I was looking for a gym. You have to go down here. And that's how you get to the gym. Route the next. You sure, yes. To get started, this tree looks like I'm coming back down. It's an apricot tree. It's a red apricot. The apricot box, okay. What do you have to say? The safari zone wasn't open for a while. It moved to Johto before I knew it. It's sad. It was the city's main attraction. Yes, we'll get into that in a minute. Ah, there's a lot of Acorn. My grandma closed the safaris, and now that we have an empty lot, my dad decided to run the power park. Seems like catching and releasing Pokemon runs in my family. There's a little pool behind here, and you can probably find a Pokemon. Just want to see what you can find. Magikarp! I'm gonna have to go back. That wasn't too hard. Way up here is the Pokemart, or whatever it's called. Here's a few little things that used to be things. One of the Elite Four used to be the leader of Fuchsia's gym. Yes, that is the poison type. Shard the berry, I trade the berries for a shard. If you make me some shard, I'll give you 3 berries, yeah? So, apparently, this place has been overrun by Germans. Anyway, here's the Power Park. I've heard trainers complain that rare Pokemon take longer to appear. Easier to start with common. Is it easier to start with common Pokemon? Yeah. I don't know, would you rather start with Magikarp or spend an hour looking for a Gyarados? It's all about opinion. Anyway, let's get started on this game. Oh, what's in this? Off screen I got the call from the bike shop saying I can keep a bike. My grandpa is my brother Bill's cerulean cape. I saw these weird slow Pokemon cycling roads. Is that something they haven't found yet? Probably. Anyway, let's just heal up quickly. Would you like to rest your Pokemon? No! I just came here to get some snacks. Do you have any Scooby snacks? Thank you for waiting. We've restored your Pokemon to full health. Please come back again anytime. Yeah. Anyway. sorry to disappoint you, I'm only joking, I'm the real deal. Janina, the future Jim, that's me. Oh, that's her. Lucky guess. So this is the gym leader, Janine, also the Elite Force daughter. I said son. Daughter. It's super effective. Yeah. Combo miss. Typical. Woohoo! What or not here? Okay, it's Average Division! Yay! No, Wing Excel is going to do loads of damage. Woohoo! Well, that is, pull that down. Aerialus. I'll switch to Chuck Jr. for Aerialus. I use these subtypes with poisons that always just make them that much tiny bit easier to kill. There's a single, just a poison on its own is actually not too easy to kill. Weezing. That's actually a hard decision. I'll stick with Chucky. Ah, nuts. There's a lot of bubbles. And that is losing down. I'm doing pretty well. And considering I'm really bad at Pokemon Go. Oh, Chuck Jr.'s getting all the credit. Maybe something that's weak against ground. Or ice or water. You know, or rock poison would actually be pretty cool if Pokemon. In the mouth. Yeah, I could see that. No, I don't. I'm spamming these. Uh-oh. Critical. Okay. I guess Chuck should be able to take it. Take her down. Get her down. Woohoo. So strong. So very strong. I see you have defeated Cobra, my father, and a member of the Elite Four to come here. No wonder you are strong. You definitely won, so here's a soul badge. Take it. You're so tough. I have a special gift. It's Poison Jab. Oh, that's a rubbish move. I'm going to really apply myself and improve my skills. I want to become much better than both my father and you. Oh, I can't find my way out. There we go. Heal up quickly. Would you like to rescue a Pokemon? Mudkip is so cool. Yeah, I'm just imitating some guy who goes over the top. I love Mudkip. So, now that is obvious. In the next episode, we're going to go down to Route 19. See what's going on. Welcome, this is Route 19. I've removed the boulder that was here in the way, but it may still extend time to flatten the ground. So this road is closed for construction. If you want to get to cinema, you better go south from Pallet Town. So, just a sec, I'm just gonna make my route out, because I'm not sure where to go next. So, I'm seeing here that fuchsia, which means I need to go up to Cerulean. That'll be alright. Or I could go... Yeah, so Saffron is our destination. Why not? Oh, on the inside. Okay. Let's make our way to Cerulean. Up here. So I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna take on this thing with Bobber. It's closed until the permanent power plant is solved the gym against Misty. Yet. Yes, there's a house up there. We can just go this way instead. Yeah! I sense a sinister shadow hovering over you. Take this to ward it off. A cleanse tag. You're in mortal danger, but you're protected now. My grandma is into warding off what she believes to be evil spirits. I'm sorry that she started it, dear. She scared the life out of me. Send her into a caring home. Nah, that's mean. This is Cerulean. I just want to see what's down here. No, it's just a different way around. I haven't seen any houses. But before wait. Well, let's go down to Route 9, just quickly. Max portion. Wanna. Yes, you did. What are you gonna do about it? To what tunnel? Hey you, don't litter. 3 Pokés. Big trio. Trio. Fat Man stood on the ground. Oh, Fat Man farted. Fat Man stood on the ground. It's an earthquake. Ooh, Colin left. Nice to see you. There's a move that I didn't learn. And that's why. Because it's not very good and it has replay. Yeah, Primate. Here's something I haven't seen before. It's a monkey. Get it? Primate? Primate? I am shivering and my shiver, shivering, shiver. It's not very effective, it's not affecting me. Not very effective, I didn't catch it. So now I'm confused, it hurts, hopeless confusion. Wanna. Rage, I don't remember that move. Critical. Wow. I was just pointing out. No, I'll end it after this battle. I came to explore Rock Tunnel. Seem to be using Earthquake a lot. Zoom headbutt. I don't know why I just used Waterfall. But I didn't want to. Oh no. Sand Slash, that should be alright. Oh, danger, eh?